stunning, dope, amazing. It smells like butt, like nasty butt. Whew, that didn't make no sense right now. Hey, smell my finger. Whew, got it in black.
Save your tears, honey. You never had a chance. Coffee's good with cream, but better when it's black.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, it is day 4? No, day 4. We did a Zara haul. We did Shook by the Book. We did, yeah, today's day 4. I lost track of the days, but whatever day this is, it is that day of my 12-ish days of Vlogmas. Welcome back. I must say I'm very tired. Yeah, but today is going to be a huge H&M Home haul. You guys know, if you have been here for a while, I am a huge advocate of H&M Home. It's very affordable. You get some really good pieces, so it's a win-win. Now, quick disclaimer. Some of these pieces are sold out at the moment, but if you add them to your wish list and opt to get, is it opt or opt-in? There's a setting where you can get notified when it comes back in stock. That's how I got most of these pieces. So yeah, let's hop right on in. So a few months ago, I got the Firm Living Ripple Glass set of 4. Love them, but I must say they're very fragile. I dropped one in the sink. I was going to put it in the sink so I can wash it. And when I tell y'all, I almost fainted.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
They're so delicate that I feel like I'm gonna break them if I even squeeze them too tight. So I wanted to get some more sturdy, but also aesthetically pleasing drinkware, and I found some on H&M Home. So I got these glass carafe sets. Actually, they're not sets. Each piece is sold separately, but I got them as a matching set. I got the brown pieces a while back. I actually shared them in an Instagram reel, and they look so good, so amazing. I got the carafe, and I got actually 2 of these cups. I just brought one to show you, and I just love how different these look. They have like this bubble. Can you tell? I'll put a picture up on the side of what it actually looks like, but it looks like little bubbles, like there's some kind of carbonated drink inside. And like I said, I wanted the smoked look, so I got the brown set. The glass is thick.
Thick.
Y'all hear that? Thick. So if I drop this, I'm not worried about it breaking. They had bigger glasses than this on the site, but I just thought the small ones were so cute and just so chic. So I got this, and also you can kind of fit that on top. Kind of like this, and just sit it next to your bed top. Bed top? It's a bed top. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. On your nightstand. That's what I meant to say. You can sit this on your nightstand, so throughout the night you just have this available if you get thirsty, next to your laptop when you're working. Y'all know the look. Firm Living has a glass carafe set that I am going to eventually get, but like I said, it's very dainty and fragile. I just wanted to get something sturdy for now, and I love this so much that I actually got the clear one, which I had to wait on because like I said, these pieces sell out really quick. So I got notified that the clear came in stock, and I got it. So here are my clear pieces. Like I said, I got 2 of these glasses, but I can't hold all of that right here in my 2 little hands. But yeah, same concept, same bubble like effect on the glassware, but it's not too much where it looks cheesy. That's why I really like it. These are going to be so good to shoot content with, and it's giving it girl in drinkware. So yeah. Now, one thing about me, if I really like something, more often than not, I'm gonna get it in every color. I bought this new vessel on H&M Home a while back, like a couple months ago, and I finally got it in black.
Save your tears, honey. You never had a chance. Coffee's good with cream, but better when it's black.
Love it. Like I said before when I showed you that nude one, this is, oh my gosh, it has a bunch of crap on it. What is going on? I didn't store this very well, so I'm gonna have to touch up some of the paint. But like I was saying, this looks so high-end, so designer, but it's super affordable, and these are so good. You can leave them empty or put stems in them, but I just love them so much. Like, it's just so cute. Look at the little curves, and it's so lopsided. I couldn't leave it there. I just love the texture on it. It's very rough, but there also is moments of like smoothness, so you get the best of both worlds. So yeah, cop that. I also got the matching candlestick holder. Like I said, I will buy something I like multiple times in different colors, sometimes in the same color, but I actually have the tan one or the nude one like this, and I just thought getting a black one would just create a moment if I want to kind of stack them together in a little vignette to create some visual interest, maybe on the bookshelf, maybe on the dinner table, anywhere pretty much. Or I can keep them separate and they still give amazing. Like, I could not leave this on the site. Plus I had a coupon.
Hold on, I got a coupon for that.
Y'all, this is like so good. And this is, how much was this? I don't even remember how much this stuff was. But it's just crazy how, I'm not gonna say cheap anymore, how budget friendly, because it's not cheap, it's still really good quality, but it's crazy how budget friendly stuff is on H&M Home, but you still get that like high-end look. It's so good. Okay, so I love a good waffle piece in design and food wise for that matter. I'm actually really hungry. I don't know if y'all can hear my stomach growling, but it's yelling at me. I need to eat. When I found these brown waffle towels on H&M Home site, had to. These actually just came in the mail. I haven't even opened them yet. But y'all, I got 2 of them. So I got the hand towels because I wasn't sure how it would look when I got it in here. That does not smell good. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's but we're gonna talk about it anyway, because I'm gonna have to throw these in the washing machine quick, fast, and in a hurry, because when I can't even explain the smell that's coming off this. It smells like butt, like nasty butt. But anyways, I had to get them. They are this amazing, they're not like a deep brown. That's why I got the hand towels first, because I wanted to see what shade of brown they were. They're kind of mocha brownish, kind of like my bedspread here, my pillow, so they actually match perfectly. I have some gray ones in my bathroom right now, so I might, it stinks. I'll have to replace them after I wash this and get the smell out of it. But y'all, so good, so good. And you don't come across this color that often, not at that price point anyway. It also has a little bit of a fringe effect here down at the bottom, so these are just so cute to me. Oh, that's cute. It has like a hook too. I was wondering how they were hanging it on the display picture, but it has a little hook in case you have hooks instead of a towel bar. That is super. This smells so bad, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's hurry up and get this out of here because I'm getting nauseous. But yeah, I had to get these. Like I said, dang, I probably shouldn't have told you about this yet. I need to get the bath towels, and I know they don't have a lot because I went on there last night. Let me hurry up and order these real quick. Okay, we're good. But yeah, those are those. Whew, that made no sense right there. Hey, smell my finger. I need to go wash my hands. Hold please. And we're back with another waffle piece, and I am in love with it. It is stunning. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I have recently been really obsessed with Studio Oliver Gustave. I think that's his name. I'll put it up on the screen. But he designs so well, and he doesn't do your typical white and nude rooms like not all light neutral like you see everywhere, which I love. But I love that he uses a lot of grays, a lot of violet marble, just pieces you wouldn't typically see all the time. Like, it's not riddled all over social media. So needless to say, I love his design aesthetic. Stunning, dope, amazing. So I'm bringing more gray into my filming room, and I thought this blanket would be perfect. I honestly got this initially for my bedroom here, but it doesn't really fit quite well. I think everything in here kind of is cohesive and blends, and this, I think it throws it off a little bit too much for my liking. I would have to tweak a few more things, and I don't feel like doing that because I just refreshed this bedroom. By the way, that video is available for you. I will link it down below. But yeah, this is a huge blanket. This is 102 by 102 inches. So is it 9, 8, 9? A little over 8 feet by 8 feet. So it will fit on a bed perfectly, but like I said, I'm not using it on my bed. I'm just gonna drape it over my sofa in my filming room, which that video is coming later. I'm not telling you when. You just have to stay on these videos and make sure you don't miss it. Hit that notification bell too, so you get notified. But I love how bold this is, and I can also use this and cuddle up in the warmer months because it's not super thick, but it's enough where it'll keep me warm. I can like wrap myself and somebody else in this and we'd be okay. So yeah, like I said, I love this so much. That waffle pattern like gets me every time. Love it. So on to some more drinkware. You guys know I love a wabi-sabi aesthetic, and these are giving just that. So a couple months ago, I shared these in a haul with you guys. It's this Stoneware Cup from H&M Home, and I love them so much that I got the lighter shade. So I have 4 of these now and 4 of these. So each one is unique, but not so different that you don't know they go together.
We go together now?
Real bad.
If that makes sense. Like, they're not an exact match, exact pattern. So just to show you what I'm saying, these are 2 of the 4 that I have. I'll show them on the side so you can see them a little bit better, but they're not exactly matched. Like, this one has a little bit more gray here on the top. It's a little bit wider of a rim. It comes down a little bit lower than this one, so, but you can still tell they go together. So yeah, love these. I love drinking matcha out of these. Like, it's such a moment, y'all. Like in the morning or in the afternoon, you just kind of sipping your drink out of here. Just feel like that girl. So next up, I actually got a serving dish, and I've been stalking this for another one to come in stock because this was a lucky hit. They only had one when I went to go order it, but like I said, I want another one because this is like the ultimate sushi plate or platter. Can you not see a sushi roll in here and just some maybe black chopsticks and just having a sushi date at home? Love that for me. This goes perfectly with those mugs. Hold on one second. These mugs that I showed you that I got a couple months ago, these are a perfect match. So just imagine like sushi at home, got some candles lit, have maybe some water, or what drink goes with sushi? Juice? I don't know, but you can set the table with these and it look just so good and so high end and so thought out, but so affordable. So yeah, love this, had to get it. And last but not least, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper's here and we're in effect. Want you to push it back.
So I got this salt and pepper shaker set, and honestly this was maybe kind of an unnecessary purchase, but they were so cute, I just had to get them. I love the organic shape and shades that these are in. Wait, they have different. This one has 3 holes, this one has 1. So which one does the salt go in? Probably the one with the 1 hole, right? You would want more control over the salt, no? Like, I'd rather have more pepper than salt on something. Cause that salt,
Mama, please, not too much salt. You know what they say, make your feet fat.
Anyway, they were super cute, weren't that expensive. I think the set was $18, and again, I had a coupon, so I think I got it for around $14. So I got them, and I love them. Okay, guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some. Whew. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like I said, this was day 4 and I'm super tired, but this is like actually really fun, and we have gained some more people, so welcome to the family. Keep it here. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe as well, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.